the series DIY miniature houses. Oh my god, and this is the Christmas fireplace. Oh, so exciting. And on this video I'm gonna unbox it, build it and review it. Oh my god, I am so excited. This is the second kit from my Robotime haul, and you can check the video of my Robotime haul. And this is the Christmas fireplace. I've already made the cocoa bar, and you can check the video somewhere up there. But yeah, the series continues and I've got few more. Oh my god, so exciting. And don't forget that there is a really special one coming, and it's just literally just being released, and I'm just waiting for that to turn up. And as soon as it's gonna turn up, I'm gonna build it, and hopefully it's gonna be before Christmas. Oh, that's very exciting. So if you're interested in that, just make sure that you subscribe and you hit the bell so you can receive the notification of when I build it. Oh my god. But before I get the unboxing of this little cutie, ta-da! I want to introduce you to my merchandise. I thought I need to do some quality control. So, ta-da! This is one of my designs. Oh, I love it. And I'm really happy because this is good material and it's just so cozy. This is the hoodie dress. So it's like a longer hoodie and it's a little bit snug, but I love it. And it's brilliant how you can check out all the measurement. They tell you to put one of your item of, like, if you're buying a jumper or if you're buying a hoodie or something like that, just get a similar item that you're happy with and you're comfortable, put it on the floor, measure as they tell you, and oh my god, this is perfect. It fit me perfectly. I love it. And this is one of my videos as well where I turned my design into incense burners using air dry clay, and then we're turning into a design. We will be uploading more and more designs. I've got so many because in 2020 I was like drawing like mad. Pew, 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 pew. So it's a work in progress and we're going to be adding more and more. So 2025, here we come. But oh my god, this is so exciting. Let's have a look at the box. As I said, this is part of the series, the DIY miniature house. The level is 1. As I mentioned on my previous video, on the website, on the Robotime website, they do tell you sometimes how long it's going to take to build it. Last one, the cocoa bar, was meant to take me an hour, but obviously with the video and everything, it took me an hour and a half. Hopefully, this time I know what I'm doing. So hopefully, let's see if it's gonna take me just an hour, but let's carry on. So it's for 18 plus. Obviously there's very tiny pieces, so not for children under 3 years old because there's a choking hazard. It's got 73 pieces, and obviously it says in here DIY, you got to put it together yourself. And that's the fun bit. And then if we turn it around like the previous box, you've got a close-up of the fireplace, the Christmas fireplace. You got a close-up, and then you got a picture of the fireplace, all nice and done. And it's from the series DIY Miniature Houses. This is called Christmas Fireplace. And then you've got all of the details of the factory in China. Because as I said, these are all made, I know the brand is Rolife, but they're all made by Robotime in China. The dimensions are going to be 70 by 70 by 95 millimeters. So pretty small. Again, I won't get the measurement wrong with my little fingers. So it's going to be really tiny, really tiny. So I've got handy my tiny tweezers as well. They will come in handy. I know there's a tweezers in the box, but I can never get a grip with them. But I'm going to stop faffing about and I'm going to open the box. Let's have a look. Let's do this. Are you ready? Oh, there we go. Yeah, these miniature kits, they look really, really empty. Oh, and by the way, it's not just wood. There's plastic and paper as well. But let's have a look. Oh, these are the instructions. Oh, love them. Really nicely designed. And they tell you that is everything you need. And if you follow them correctly and don't miss anything, they are absolutely brilliant, because what they do, they tell you all the little bits. They tell you what you're going to make, and then they tell you all the bits that you need to get and where you can find them, and then how to assemble it. So, ooh, the beautiful instructions. There's the product safety instructions. And then you've got the icon illustration. This is a little bit generic. It's not everything sort of specifically for this kit. So these are very generic. And if you just follow the icons that you find on the instructions, just have a look in here if you're not sure what you need to do. There we go. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, this is the Christmas tree. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cute. This is very, very cute. And then you got, got the little booties. Oh my God, the little wellies. And then, yeah, you get the tweezers, but I'm not convinced about them. And, there's very small bits. So this is bag number 3. Then we have bag number 2 with more tiny pieces. And then we got bag number 1, which also contains all the little sticky strips, which are probably not going to use them for everything, because on the previous kit I've used some PVA glue, so that's probably what I'm going to be doing on this kit as well. And oh, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. So cool. And these are all the papers that we need to stick and use for the decorations and stuff. Beautiful. I love the colors and the design. These are really, really cool. And then, last time I got so excited about this. And these measure like 1:1. So the size that you see in here is the size that you're going to get. It seems that there's not a lot going on there. And then he tells you all of the bits. You basically got like, what's the word for it? Like, yeah, the material list. Can't you read it? Brilliant. So this is it. This is all there is in the box. All I need to do now, it's build it. But I'm not going to fuff about, and I'm going to crack on with the build. Because I'm very, very excited, and I want to see how long this is going to take me. The previous one, it was really fiddly. There were a lot of components. I don't think there's going to be as many in here. It still looks busy, but I think we're going to be okay. And hopefully I can do it in an hour. Let's see. But I'll see you later. Yay, it's finished. Oh, look at it. What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, I'm really, really pleased. I really like it as well. It's really cute. Really, really cute. But let me tell you about this kit and what I thought of it. And just to remind you, I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored by Robotime or Rolife or anybody. I buy all of the kits myself, and you watching these videos help me buy more kits. So thank you. Thank you for watching. But this is, yeah, as the previous one, as the cocoa bar, this is really, really cute. It's lovely. However, I didn't feel the same love that I felt for the cocoa bar. This was a little bit of a, it didn't come together as well as the cocoa bar. And I don't think, it feels a little bit flimsy, and like when I put these bits on, it just didn't, they don't match up properly. And also the little bits of wood that you take out, they don't come off really well as they usually do on other kits. It's a little bit of a struggle, and you definitely need the sandpaper because they do come out a little bit rough. And I felt that they didn't come together properly. It was a little bit of a struggle. But also, I did get a couple of things wrong. I left the cat outside instead of gluing it inside. But that's me. And also, I think on top of the fireplace, maybe I didn't look at the instructions properly, but you need to be careful at the way the bits go, because when I tried to put the trees in, there was only the hole at the top. It wasn't going all the way through. So definitely need to be careful on which way you put in the top of the fireplace on, because otherwise you can't put the tree on. I still enjoyed it. It was still really good building it, and yeah, I loved it. But let me know how, if you have built it, and how you felt about it. Because as I said, I felt a little bit different from when I built the cocoa bar. Cocoa bar, straightforward. You got the pieces, tick, 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 put them together. Brilliant. This one, I wasn't quite happy with the way it was coming together. The bits were a bit rough. They didn't quite join together properly. Yeah, it was a bit, ooh, okay. As I said, I still love it because look at it. I really want to be inside there, in front of the fireplace, like piping hot, and you just drink your cocoa. That's the life. I want to be there. This kit took me an hour to build, so we're okay with it. Well, we're not okay, but you build in your own time. But yeah, it took me the time that they said it would take me. Jesus, that's a bit of a tongue twist. So yeah, this was, well, it did have less pieces, and you could feel it. It's just, it looks really busy, but there's not a lot to put together. I'm not sure I make any sense, but I hope I do. And let me know if I don't. The instructions are great. What you've got, they show you, and the illustrations as well. They're brilliant. Look at them. And what they do, they show you what you're going to build. They tell you in which bag all the components are. And then they show you with all the drawings and the designs how to put it together. All the kits that I've built so far, they have been done really, really well. They've been put together really nicely. And this, although I didn't find it as good as the other ones, is still very good. In this kit as well, there were 3 bags, and then the instructions, they tell you which bag you need to use. So overall, a really nice kit. Shame, I think the bits could have come together a little bit better, but there we go. And on this box, there was quite a few little cutouts. They are so cute. They're brilliant. They're really, really nice. And I have used, again, the PVA glue on most of the bits. And I think there are some bits, because they are plastic and so they're slippery, unless you just really load it with glue and leave it there for about 3 days, it's slippery and it moves. So the little sticky strips are very handy, but easy to put, easy to, to put there. And I thought the tree was going to be complicated to wrap the ribbon around it. Easy peasy. That was straightforward and I loved it. Oh my God, here it is. Oh, so cute. So very cute. What do you think? Did you like it? Have you built it? Let me know if you have built it and what you thought of it. If your ideas match or you disagree with me. Just as a reminder, ta-da, on the link below, you'll find my shop with all my merchandise, and they're all my drawings, and they're all on different materials. The shop is basically print on demand, and I've just put out there some of my designs. There's going to be more coming because I do have a lot of drawings, and every now and then when I get inspired, I'll just get there. There we go. Happy turning into design. So yeah, if you want to check it out, the links are down below, or you can get the shop on my channel. And oh, I was actually really impressed with the quality. Quality control, pass. There we go. And also, if you would like to buy me a coffee, I'll put the link in the description for my coffee. I just would like to say a massive thank you to everybody who supported me so far and bought me a coffee. And if you have enjoyed this video, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell? Because I have got more boxes that are more kits that I've got to build, and I've literally just ordered something else because I could not resist it. And you can check out the video where I did my RoboTime haul. And again, just a reminder, there's going to be one really special kit which is hot from the press and it's just been released and it's coming. It's been stuck again. This is painful, but I'm really hoping to receive it before Christmas and to be able to build it and show you what the kit is like, because I'm very, very excited about that. And that is a rocker kit. Oh, I told you too much. But again, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.